Students who score 740 or higher do two things that students who face score plateau fail to do. They improve faster by extracting more from each question they solve, and they create hyper-personalized improvement plans. So how do you extract greater improvement from every question that you solve? Now, taking a quiz is one of the most atomic things that you do. When you take a quiz, you need to answer these three questions. Can I trust my score? That is my performance repeatable? Which questions should I review, and how should I review them? Which questions should I have gotten correct? What is that low-hanging fruit? Answering these questions requires working with a private tutor, and people who face score plateau falter while answering these questions. That is, until now. xPERT AI in Scholaranium empowers each and every one of you to get more out of every quiz attempt. xPERT does three things. It curates a list of questions that you should review. It tells you why you should review them, that is, for what reason. And lastly, it tells you how you should review them, that is, it guides you to create an error log that actually helps you improve. I will show an example of a student who has scored a 91%. Now, most people would be happy to see the score. The most they would do is ask the question, what mistakes did I make? And review only those questions. However, xPERT digs deeper and gives you real insights. The xPERT AI tells you that this score is not repeatable. Why? Because luck played a significant part in this score. You did not have enough time, yet you were able to somehow answer these questions correctly. It even adds these questions to your review list. Then comes the next question. What do you need to improve to reliably score a 91st percentile? The first question that xPERT asks is, why did you run out of time? Now, comparing your attempt to those of thousands of students who attempted the same questions, xPERT curates a list of questions where you wasted time. It then tells you how you should review these questions. The third set of questions that it adds to your list are those that you made mistakes on. So, how do you get twice as much benefit out of every quiz that you take? You focus your attention on specific questions, and then you review those questions using our proprietary error log framework. Therefore, by channelizing your energy, you detect behaviors that cause these errors, thereby improving towards those 740 plus scores.